What sets R&R Law Group apart in handling felony drug cases in Arizona? Attorney Ryan Cummings explains that. We really take an approach to help the client out. It's something that affects anybody and everybody. We feel a lot differently about drug cases. It's something that affects a lot of people, and these are not bad people. Drug cases affect all walks of life. It hits very close to home for our family. My partner Robert had a brother who was addicted to drugs and took his life. So it's something that we really want to try and help clients with fixing the problem and not just the legal issue. Now, there is the Alpha program that you can enroll in when you're in jail. There is the TASK program that can get your case dismissed. And there are other drug treatment programs that you can get into. We want to help these people fight the underlying drug problem, because if you don't, there are only one of two things that happen. Either you wind up dead because you're overdosed or something happened, or you wind up in prison for a really long time because eventually you either steal or sell to feed your habit. And when that happens, you get young kids, 20 or 22 years old, that are now facing 6.5 to 10 years in prison because of drug addiction. Our firm's partner, Robert, comes from a very good family. It's not something that you would ever expect, and oftentimes, unfortunately, you really don't know until it's too late. We really encourage families that have a loved one with a drug offense to not shut them out, but to come into the office and talk to us to see what we can do to help, because we don't want to just treat the defense of the case. Ultimately, whatever happens with this criminal offense is not going to be what happens later in life. But if that person doesn't get the tools they need to fight the addiction, then they are going to wind up either dead or in prison for an extremely long time. It's something that we wish no mother, no father, no brother, and no friend ever has to go through. Having a loved one pass in large portion because of drug addiction is one of the worst things ever. Contact the R&R Law Group in Scottsdale, Arizona at 480-400-1355 or visit their website at www.rrlawaz.com.